Do you struggle to find the right content strategy for your business? Meet Emily Faxon, Managing Director of Credo. She faced a challenge. Credo needed to revamp its content to attract new clients and retain existing ones. The digital marketing landscape is evolving rapidly, and Credo required expert help. They needed to create impactful new content, update existing material, and align SEO. Hiring an SEO expert seemed daunting. Emily needed a partner to streamline content creation and improve engagement. Enter Quickly Hire. We connected Emily with Daniel, an experienced content writer who excels in SEO. Daniel has 10 years of experience creating compelling web content. He understands brand building and delivers versatile copy that engages audiences. Since partnering with Quickly Hire, Credo has seen impressive results. Emily noted a significant boost in engagement metrics through Daniel's captivating content. Each piece from Quickly Hire met our deadlines and boosted our engagement, Emily declares. Are you ready to elevate your content strategy? Partner with Quickly Hire today. Book a call, and watch your engagement soar.